guys, welcome back to True Boys RC. Today we back, baby. We got that Arrma Mojave, and I want to send a special shout out to my brother Denali Underground. Check him out. The link to his channel will be in the description. All right, I ain't even gonna bore y'all. Know y'all done seen so many unboxings, but it's your boy True Boys RC, baby. Alright, so we finna get off in this thing, man. Let's see what all comes in this box. Alright, guys, as y'all can see, this is a 1/7 scale brushless desert truck. The Mojave 6S, baby. Yes, sir. So this truck is 60 miles per hour plus. Arrma, I did yourself again, as usual. You always do. Yes, sir. Comes with your standard tool kit, some extra pieces in there. You got a bind plug, some stickers, and your manual. Sir. Look at her. Da, 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 da. We gotta get you out, Mojave. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Arrma Mojave, guys. Slick. Came with the DTX 2 remote. A lot of people are not liking it. It's okay. It did all right with my Outcast. We'll be changing this out. We have the Spectrum rugged remote, guys. But for right now, we're gonna test run this thing with the factory remote. So what I'm digging, guys, you have 2 Velcro straps on the side here, and you have 4 body pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they come attached to the body, which I love, so you don't lose them. You have these cool vents in the back, so you can get some air in the inside there. Inside cage, that's pretty cool. You got some nice red wheels. You have the 2050 kV BLX motor. That thing is a beast. You have the 185 amp ESC BLX. You have the new 2019 connectors on all the 2019 models. The new body post mount for the new body. Have a little cubby hole back here in the rear. Also, you have this rubber piece in the front, like a real truck almost, guys. And this thing is smooth. I'm really digging it. Love those red wheels. Alright, we're not going to bore you guys. We're going to get out there and run this thing. Look at the articulation of this truck, guys. Front, rear, side to side, man. This thing is independent suspension, guys. That is crazy. Yes, sir. Arrma Mojave, baby. Let's get ready to get it, baby. Oh, she's a beauty. And guys, I found out you can carry this thing back here, man. That's easy. I love it. This thing is massive, guys. You don't even understand. All right, guys, you got the straps over here to the side. You have your 6S battery in here. You have your 2050 kV infamous Arrma motor here, guys. 185 ESC. And you have your steel gear servo over here. We got this connector, actually, guys, if you don't know, this connector here, you can buy this. If you have XT90 batteries, buy this. It's only $8. Connect it. Now you connect it to your XT90, baby. There we go. So, man, we finna fire this thing up, guys. Got some steering. Loving the looks of it. Here we go, guys. Wow. Oh, man. This thing got some get, man. Oh, look at that. Huh? can't wait to get it out there on the big rock. Alright guys, make sure y'all stay tuned. True Boys RC. We're gonna see y'all on the next one. Make sure y'all go subscribe to Denali Underground, man. He was a big part of this situation right here, man. I really appreciate you, bro. I can't thank you enough. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.
Show after show, yeah.